Hey everyone, this is Donovan Brophy from the JTS booth again at InfoComm 2026. Now we're talking about the UF-20R. The UF-20 is our flagship series. It is the highest quality wireless audio that we make. So for the UF-20, it's a 75 megahertz bandwidth true diversity system, so it cuts down on dropouts and allows a much further range than some of the other JTS products. Still has that RemoSet wireless functionality for easy syncing, where if you hit that RemoSet button, you'll wirelessly sync up all your settings, channel, grouping, squelch, all of that up to about 40, 50 feet away on this system. Also has the built-in distro in the back, so you can cascade multiple receiver units together. No need for a separate distro. And last but not least, available with handhelds or belt packs. The handheld is the JSS-20. The belt pack is the UF-20TB belt pack. Besides that, if you need more information, find it at jts.com.tw. Thank you.